We're here at Collegetown Center, apartment 303. As we go into the apartment today, let's take a look. I've got the cupboards open so we can see a little bit of the storage space. As you know, the kitchen is the same in all of these units, but I want you to see the storage space that's available here. So we've got some over the refrigerator cabinets. Here, there's the refrigerator, the dishwasher. We've got cabinets underneath. There's 2 drawers here in the kitchen that you can see. So there's a lot of good storage space. Here's the kitchen cabinets. So good storage space. Kitchens, again, all the same. Refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwave. Let's go on into the main area of the apartment. As we go through, let's take a look. We'll see in the closet here. It's a nice wide closet. So we've got a shelf here, the hanging space, some floor space in here. So good space in there. The bookshelves in all of the apartments are a nice tall bookshelf. They are about 6 feet tall and almost 3 feet wide, so you've got good storage space there. The dressers, I have a drawer open here so we can see. So it's a nice 4-drawer dresser or chest. So that opens. And the desks over here, and the desk also has drawers. Let's take a look at that. So we've got desk drawers there. This desk has 3 drawers, so there's some really good storage space here in the apartment. So you can really maximize how you set up the apartment and how you store your items. A lot of people bring in more little shelves and things, like a little shoe shelf. We're in one of the angle style apartments. These are only available on the south side of the building. The south is the side away from Dryden Road. It's late morning here today, so you can see we're still nice and bright. Look at all that nice sunshine we're getting right in the apartment. There's the air conditioner on the window. There are always going to be mini blinds that go up and down. They're called privacy blinds. That means they keep the room private, but they are not a room darkening shade. And to the south here, we have we've got some nice trees. So it's a nice view away from the street here. Okay, more open area. Let's go on in and see the rest of the apartment. This is a little dining table and chair. You can see the heater over there on the wall. You don't want to block the heater with your bed. There's always a full-size bed and the bathroom. The bathroom, I have the vanity open so you can see underneath there. So you've got good storage space under the sink as well for your cleaning products and little bathroom things. And there's also a medicine cabinet over on the left side, which you can't see very well, but it's over there, right over there, and that does open as well. So I just wanted you to see the amount of storage space that really is available here in these studio apartments while we're seeing one of the layouts. Again, this is an angle style on the south side of the building. We're in apartment 303 here at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We are located just 1 block from campus.